Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Chime Bank website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chime.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Chime Bank website. Now from this page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now, once you're inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the sign in button. After you click on sign in, you will receive a text SMS from Chime, which you will need to enter within the next screen to successfully log into your account. So check your phone SMS after clicking on sign in and enter the verification code, and you will be logged into your account on the Chime Bank right away. In case you forgot your password or your email address, you can click on the forgot email address or password buttons and you will be allowed to reset them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Chime Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.